Welcome to the English news section of Diary Times. Embattled in Bragta and Mahindra over the decision to buy limited medicines from the market, the decision to buy limited medicine from the open market has drawn up a horticulture minister and former minister Narendra Bragta, who was the Minister of Horticulture in the Dhumal government, has written a letter to the Chief Minister demanding withdrawal of the decision in this regard. He said that it's against the farmer. RSS volunteers will give duty in COVID care centers. UCA issued helpline number for help. In the crisis of corona, the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh has also come forward to help people. At the same time, the State Youth Congress has come forward to help the people in the second wave of corona. Testing, tracing and treatment required in corona cases. CM issues instruction to DC. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur held a virtual meeting with all the deputy commissioners, superintendents of police, chief medical officers and principals of medical colleges on the situation arising out of increase in COVID-19 cases in Himachal Pradesh. It is said that at present, testing, tracing and treatment of COVID cases is very important through effective monitoring through micro-containment zone. He instructed all DCs to expedite the COVID investigation. A female snow leopard spotted with cubs in Pangi forest. In the Pangi forest so far, photographs of 5 snow leopards have been captured in the trap cameras installed by the Department of Wildlife. With this, there has been evidence of 5 snow leopard in Pangi forest. Samples of 65,486 people taken in a week. More than 10,000 reports reported corona positive. The number of corona infects in the state has reached beyond 89,193. At present, the number of active cases has exceeded 14,326. So far, more than 73,478 have been cured and 1,350 have died. New restrictions coming into force after one day in Himachal. Online registration for admission starts. New restrictions have not been implemented since 12 p.m. on Monday midnight due to confusion among officials. Now these restrictions will be fully implemented in all the districts from 12 p.m. on 27th April. Authorities were confused about this. The preparation of Health and Police Department was also incomplete. However, online registration has started for Himachal Pradesh. Tourists, including the people of the state living in the outlying states, will now be required to show the RT-PCR report of corona before entering the state. Only those who register online will be given admission. Meeting to promote 10th class students in Himachal. There will be a meeting in the Directorate of Higher Education on Tuesday to promote 10th class students in Himachal Pradesh to the next class without exam results. On Monday, a report was made in the Directorate of Education regarding the suggestions made in this regard from the district. After discussing this report, the proposal will be sent to the government. DNA test lab of agriculture seed to be made in 10 districts of Himachal. Farmer will get this benefit. DNA test laboratories of agricultural seeds will be set up in 10 districts of Himachal Pradesh. This facility will be available in all other districts except the tribal districts of Lahaul Spiti and Kinnaur. These laboratories will help in testing and ascertaining the quality of DNA of agricultural seeds produced in the state. These labs will assist in patenting seeds after DNA detection. New domestic electricity connection gets cheaper but costly for industries. In the midst of corona crisis, the security amount for the new electricity connection increased by 4 times, which last year has been reduced for domestic consumers. Industrial units will now have to pay 1,000 rupees more than before. The State Electricity Regulatory Commission has drafted new rates of security amount. Suggestions and objections have been sought from the public within a month. Ashray Foundation providing 24-hour free oxygen cylinder. The Ashray Foundation of Sundarnagar in Mandi district of Himachal Pradesh is providing free oxygen cylinder. This institution is providing medical oxygen cylinder from April 2019. Presently, the organization has 4 concentrators with 18 oxygen cylinders available for service. The foundation is providing this service 24 hours for free. Himachal will give 1000 cylinders of oxygen to Delhi every day. Himachal Pradesh will refill 1000 cylinders of oxygen daily and give it to Delhi government. Kala Arms Company will supply the oxygen. From Tuesday, the Delhi government will be able to carry oxygen as per the requirement in its trains. The Himachal government has also directed all 8 companies to produce oxygen in 3 shifts. Dharamshala COVID hospital packed with patients. Only 4 beds empty in Tanda. Due to the continuous increase of corona infection condition in Kangra, Himachal's largest district, are also expected to deteriorate. After reaching alarming situation in Kangra, Chief Minister Jairam Thakur had to come to Dharamshala and hold a review meeting. All the beds were filled at Dharamshala COVID hospital on Sunday and Monday. Dharamshala hospital management refused to give beds to a woman COVID patient of a village in Chamunda at around 12 pm on Sunday night, which became a serious issue. The fraud of banks and insurance companies on farmers' loan. In Himachal Pradesh, banks and insurance companies are running a fraud on the loan accounts of farmers. Farmers and gardeners do not know where the premium is going to be deducted from the loan accounts. Companies are deducting thousands of rupees in the name of crop insurance from the account of every loan holder, farmer or gardener. OPD may begin at Kothipura AIIMS by the end of May. OPD is likely to be started by the end of May at All India Institute of Medical Sciences at Kothipura. Earlier, AIIMS management claimed to have started it by the end of the January, but it has been delayed due to the lockdown enforced due to the corona epidemic first and then the peasant movement. Now, the AIIMS management and the state government claims that it will be started by the end of May so that the people of the state can get its benefit during the corona period. To get the English news in more details, please visit our website Diary Times. Till then, have a good day from Diary Times.